So I made my design in the Mint software, and I have this hooked up to my computer. Just turn the power on. This is the back, this is the front, and this came with it. This is the 30mm by 30mm stamp. So it comes with the stamp holder, and then 2 stickers that you can put the stamp on and label it. And then in this other bag is the block. So it has a plastic film on it. Leave that on there. So I'm going to go to the computer. I have my design set up, and then I'm going to do send to Mint. It automatically makes it in reverse, and it kind of gives you instructions here anyways. It doesn't kind of, it actually gives you instructions here. Anyways, all you need to do is hit Start Mint. Then it'll start flashing, and it shows you on here which end to put in there. So, oops, I can't see what I'm doing. So you just feed it in the back here. Just push it slowly until it grabs it. And it prints really quick. And it stops flashing when it's done. It looks really cool. So it's perforated right here, so all you have to do is break that off and remove it carefully from the cardboard. Now the plastic can come off of it too. So there I have my stamp. And then this has a piece you take off, and this has adhesive on it, so you just peel this off and then center your stamp on it. And then this is the block, and this piece slides in. So you would stamp like this. Then this is the lid where you can store it. So now you can put your ink on it, and after you put your ink on it, you want it to sit for about 15 minutes. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to try, this is a fine design, to put blue on my name. I haven't tried this yet. So I'm just squeezing it lightly and covering every bit of my name. Then I'm going to try black on the Handmade By. So I'll let that sit for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. So it's been about 15 minutes or so, and it should have absorbed the ink. You want to blot it off first on paper to get rid of, because you can see there's extra on there, so it's going to be messy at first, but then it should get clean. It will get clean. So the first one, messy. It came with stickers, so this is to identify your stamp. So just center your stamp and make a sticker of it. And then this is where you hold your stamp in this lid thing. So just put the sticker on the block, make sure it's in the same direction.